So, kind of with that security angle covered, the other two aspects that we really looked at was simplicity and scalability. So we had our own BI tools, obviously within AWS, but it still required learning, different syntax and creating calculations and kind of writing a script. Or we had SQL, and not all of our business users know or are super familiar with SQL, particularly in the non-technical areas. So simplicity was a huge piece because every time we provided a new tool, the first question was, what is the learning curve? Because that was directly, correlated with the adoption. And we wanted this to be, a rapidly adoptable product. So the fact that it works very similar to tools that they already use today was just a really big benefit. They just felt right at home when they have that familiar interface. The other piece was scale. So, some of the data sets that we have are quite large, and being able to put all of that information into row zero just opened up a ton of use cases for our end users.
Yeah, so I think we've got a screenshot of Rosier right here, and we'll do a demo in a few minutes that kind of walks through some of the features. But yeah, to touch on the like familiarity piece, like almost every BI tool introduces their own new formula language for users to like write custom queries or computed columns for a particular data set. One of the unique things about row zero is the spreadsheet engine is 100% compatible with Excel. So you to the point that you can just import existing XLSX files and all the formulas that were there will just work. So it is syntactically identical to Excel. Your users don't have to learn anything new. The learning curve is zero.